in. We're in the Paris Hotel in Vegas. We're here at the Lake Mead Visitor Centre on the way to the Hoover Dam. It is 43 degrees Celsius. 43. That's pretty hard.
Some very impressive landslide for the Labour Party.
So, one thing we are absolutely clear about is that Keir Starmer will be our next Prime Minister. The Labour Party will have a huge majority. The Tories will struggle. Now, I told people to be careful when they heard the figures for the smaller part of the SNP and Reform. It would be a...
There's the bridge. Oh, no, that's a rock. There's the Hoover Dam. We are now on the border with Arizona. That's the Hoover Dam. That's bloody hot. 45, is it? I don't know. Funny that. There's the hydraulics for the hydro. Excessive heat. I don't want to film down there, it's too scary. It's too high up. Far too high up and far too hot. I know it's impossible to show a video, but it is oppressively hot. So hot, it's really struggle to breathe, think, and do anything. It's 45 degrees.
Heavily shootouts with his club team last year.
Oh!
You can't tell from the angle how to do it. Oh my goodness.
4th of July, Vegas. If you can see through the filthy window, it is mobbed down there on the strip. There are fireworks going up left, right, and centre. All but Mayer's budget behind the Mandalay Bay Hotel over there. Oh, it's so busy. It's bloody boiling. So American at the moment. Wow.